Hello, little learners. Today, we're going to learn something super fun. These, those. Can you guess when we use them? Let's find out together. Look at my hand. These means things that are near me. Those means things that are far away. Say it with me. These, near. Those, far. These, near. Those, far. Awesome job. Look here. Apples, apples. These are apples. Teddies, teddies. These are toys. Books, books. These are books. Why do we say these? Because they are close to us. Say it. These are apples. Now look over there. Trees, trees. Those are trees. Cars, cars. Those are cars. Houses, houses. Those are houses. Why do we say those? Because they are far away. Say it. Those are cars. Let's play a game. Ready? Blank are stars, far away. Those are stars. Blank are my pencils, near. These are my pencils. Blank are birds, far. Those are birds. Wow, you're so smart. Let's look around. These are my shoes, near. Those are mountains, far. At home, these are your toys. Those are buildings outside. See, it's easy. Let's remember. These means near. Those means far. Say it loud. These. Those. Amazing job. You did awesome today. Like the video. Subscribe for more fun learning. Comment these or those. See you next time.